All right, guys, here we go. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, man, we are going to get a 0 to 60 time. It's been a minute since I done a 0 to 60, and I'm just curious if these 275s is going to change my time. So that's what we're going to do today, guys. We're going to see what this RT is going to do with the 275s in the rear. And if this is your first time on my channel, man, go ahead and smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, man, so you can stay up to date on my videos, and also hit that notification bell. Now, I'm not expecting some super ridiculous time, but I'm just curious where my car is at this point. I haven't done any mods to it. Like I said, the only thing I have is a high flow air filter. That's not going to add any speed. So for the most part, man, my car is stock. For those who may be just joining my channel, I do have 275s in the rear. I upgraded from the 4520s because they was just too damn small, and every time I would step on it, all it would do was just spin. So I had to upgrade from the 245. And also, guys, I do not have the SRT page performance pages, so I got to use an app. It uses the GPS. It's pretty accurate. That's 25, that's 25. So it's pretty much same thing as the performance pages. I mean, it gives you the quarter mile, it gives you everything. So that's what I'm going to be using to do my 0 to 60 time. So let's see what we can get. Let's see what kind of time we're going to get today. All right, guys, here we go. That wasn't a good run. Now we got what, 5.5, 0 to 60. All right, guys. So that was my 0 to 60, man. Wasn't a really good time. I thought that that app would be a little more accurate, but it actually isn't. Because if you go back through my videos and you look at my first 0 to 60, my time was like 4.9. And when I went back and looked at the video, I found out that if you really look at the time and you look at my speedometer, you can tell that the app was a little off. So I'm predicting that I probably really ran maybe like a 5.1, which is pretty much right on time, right on point, where the 5.7 should be for 0 to 60. That's another reason why I need to hurry up and get the taser, so I can get the so I can unlock the SRT performance pages, because right now I'm in need of those performance pages really bad, so I can really test my car and see where it's at and get an accurate reading where my car is really testing at. Because using these apps, they use the GPS, but it's off as far as your 0 to 60 times, and 0 to 20, all that stuff is a little off. So a 5.5 is slow to me, but it's probably really at 5.1, 5.2, something like that. So with all the mods I plan on doing, I should get that 0 to 60 time down. And again, I just pretty much just got in the car, started up, and just got on it. So I really didn't warm the car up or do any kind of preparation for the 0 to 60. Just got in the car and just stepped on it. So once I get that taser, then I can probably really get a accurate reading where my car is as far as 0 to 60, because using these apps, man, you really can't go by what they're telling you, because it's just not syncing up all the way with your speedometer. So, but yeah, man, I just wanted to do a quick 0 to 60. Like I said, it's been a minute since I've done one, and I'm gonna go ahead and order the Taser, because I see right now I definitely need to get that so I can really see what my car is. Because once I add all these other mods, I'm gonna want to know exactly what kind of times I'm getting, and excuse me, where my car is. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. I got a lot of stuff coming. I appreciate everybody tuning in, man, and I see y'all on the next video. Peace.